Hello you lovely people. Right, today I will be making for you Zingy Satay chicken and noodles. Very quick and very easy. To begin with, what I've done is I've put some chicken thighs. These are skinless and boneless chicken thighs in a baking tray, and I've scored them, as you can see.
We've also preheated the oven, haven't we?
Yes, the oven is preheating to 200 degrees Celsius at the moment, okay? Right, you need your processor out. All you need to do is ginger, piece of ginger, roughly thumb size. Don't bother peeling it, I never bother. Just cut it up slightly to smaller chunks, throw it in. 2 green chili peppers, or you can use 1 red, up to you. Bung them in. Now the limes, what I do with the limes, I'm going to put 2 limes in. That's the first lime there. And I've got the second lime there here, which I've already done. I've got 1 garlic clove here as well. Throw that in. I just need to wash my hands. I need 3 heaped tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. There we go, that's 3. Just a bit more for luck. Right, light soy sauce, roughly a tablespoon, but I'm going to eyeball it. That'll do, that's probably about 2, but that's fine. And coriander. Let me show you my little trick with coriander. You know when you go to the supermarket and you get those bags of like coriander, parsley, you bring them home, you put them in your old cupboard. The next couple of days they've sweated and you can't use them. What I tend to do is when I get them home, take them out of the bag, chop them up roughly, put them in a container like this, any Tupperware dish is fine, and then they last for ages. I think I cut these up about 3 days ago and it's still fine, it's absolutely fine. Keep it in the fridge. Right, so I'm going to put in here roughly one handful. Okay, there we go. That's it, let's get processing. That's your marinade for the chicken. What you've got to do is just put it on the chicken like so. Now, get melody hands. Just wash it all around. I will get Aaron to put this in the oven for me so I can wash my hands. Okay, on me, thank you. What you need to do now is put this in the oven for 20 minutes and we'll turn it for another 20 minutes and that'll be done. So we'll put that in the oven right now. Go for it, Aaron. Okay, we've got the chicken in the oven, as you know, so what we'll do is while that's cooking, we can make the noodle salad. So I've washed out the processor. So what I'm going to add to it is 1 tablespoon of crunchy peanut butter. And a bit more, because I can. That's 1 heaped tablespoon. 1 small to medium onion, throw that in as well. I'm going to then throw in a handful of coriander. Let's go for roughly a handful. Coriander. I need a chilli. Need another chilli. Just need to get chilli from the freezer. Let me just show you this. This bag is full of chillies which Aaron actually grew last year in the garden. Obviously there's only so many chillies you can eat, but they're great because obviously you put them in a bag like this, freeze them, and just get them out as you need them. So I've got 1 chilli here. I need to get the noodles on as well, actually. I've got to put the noodles on. So, okay, I've got 4, you know the noodles come in little
Sheets?
Sheets, yeah, sheets of noodles. I've got 4 here because this should serve 4 people. So I've got 4 sheets of noodles. I'm going to put them in this bowl here. And the water has literally just come to the boil. So I'm going to pour that on. There you go. I'm just going to cover that with a tea towel, leave that for about 6 minutes. 6 minutes, we'll check it. So that's
surprise.
Been covered for 6 minutes. Right. So we've got the chilli. Just chuck that in as well. I'm not going to bother taking the seeds out. I don't think they're that hot anyway. Right. So sesame oil, roughly 1 teaspoon. That'll do. Fish sauce, about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. Eyeball it. Honestly, just do it to taste. It's fine. I could get a teaspoon out and start making it, but it's fine. Don't need to do that. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce again. Limes. Now I ran out of limes, so I'm going to use lime juice instead. Roughly, that's done. So again, the equivalent of 1 lime. That'll do. And 1 tablespoon roughly of honey. This actually going to put it all in. I've got much left, so I should just throw it. That's what I mean. You know, just throw it in. It's fine. Mix that up. That's your mixture for the noodles. So once the noodles are cooked, we'll come back and we'll put this with the noodles. See you in a bit. This has been 20 minutes now, so let's check it. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna get the chicken and just turn it over, get all these juices you've got flying around. You want it on the chicken, you don't want it in the tray, do you? I'm going to put that back in the oven. I'm going to go for 10 minutes to begin with, and then check it. Just going to check the noodles now, see if they're cooked. Yeah, they're done. That's good. Now I'm going to drain that water. That'll do. Put them back in. Now, here's our dressing we made. And pour that in. Now, you can see it's quite watery, but that's good. That's what you want, because obviously these noodles are quite starchy, so they are going to thicken it anyway. Get in them with your hands and give it a good mix. I'm going to leave that for a minute now. I'm going to let that thicken for a minute, okay? Okay, so that's been the 10 minutes. Let's just check it now. So yeah, 14 minutes, like I said, was probably about right, because I'm going to stick this in again for 10 minutes and that beats 40 minutes. Okay, so the beeper had literally just gone off, so let's have a look. Yeah, that's what we want, perfect, look at that. Very nice. So let's serve it all up now, shall we?
Yeah. Hungry.
So I'm going to put the noodles in here. You can see all the juice has gone from there. That's thickened nicely. That's good. Put the noodles in. Lovely. Put the chicken on top.
This serves how many?
4. 4 comfortably, I'd say. So for me and you, it would last us 2 meals. See all these bits here, this is all, oh man.
Don't burn yourself.
What I'll do actually is once we finish filming this, I'll just eat this off the tray. But I'll leave it for now. Right, just get a bit of coriander, just put it on top. Blah, blah, blah. And there you have it. Zingy Satay chicken and noodles. Enjoy it.
When I hear your footsteps at my door, and I see your Anticipation sends the icy chill a cold beat down.